Good morning, Lenape. I'm your host, Dylan Wilson.
And I'm your host, Bilal and Dylan. It's Friday, November 21st, and we're back with an all-new episode.
Be sure to stick around because this is Lenape Live. I hope you all enjoyed our new opener.
That awesome sequence will kick off your Fridays for the rest of the school year, and it was produced by Kai Dromgool.
Nice hat, Bilal. What's it for?
Oh, this is my brain hat for AP Psych. Hi, Miss Page. Speaking of, next Wednesday is the electives fair. Students are invited to explore the opportunities for electives they can take next year.
Definitely come by. I might be working the table for Spanish.
I'll be sure to visit you, Dylan. If you missed the chance to see us in the show last night, don't panic. You still have 3 more chances to see the show, tonight and tomorrow. Here's a sneak peek of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Don't miss the chance to see our beautiful faces as Willy Wonka.
And Mike TV. Next up, DJ and Josiah decided to switch it up and have the interviewees become the interviewers.
Hi, I'm Josiah.
And I'm DJ, and this is the DJ and Josiah Show.
Good morning. We're here on the DJ and Josiah Show, switching things up a little bit, you know? And today we're going around and letting people ask us the questions. So, the question for these two is, who is your favorite teacher at Lenape and why?
My favorite teacher at Lenape is Miss Timko because she taught me how to do math correctly.
So, what's on your Christmas list?
New AirPods and a PC.
Me personally, I'd probably say a quarter zip.
What's the most embarrassing thing you've ever done?
I do a lot of embarrassing things, so it evens out, so it's basically just normal.
I do stage crew for Lenape, and I was walking backstage, and I tripped and fell over a set, and I ripped my pants from, like, my knee down.
Dogs and cats.
I'm a cat person.
I'm a dog person.
Do you think plea bargaining is just?
Plea bargaining is just.
Yeah, we'll say plea bargaining is just.
What are your thoughts on Alec Bashara being left out of the Rec Top 20 rankings?
I do not know who he is. It is a disgrace.
He should not.
I got a quick question for our team here. What's your favorite part about doing this whole show?
My favorite part of the show is being to interact with all the students at Lenape. It feels really special.
How about you?
I love walking around and getting noticed by people, and I think that's always like a funny thing to think about. Adding people on Instagram, that's always something fun to do.
Thanks for watching today's episode, and see you guys next week.
David has prepared a promotion for the Cornhole Club.
Next up, we have a sitcom-style segment brought to you by our very own Brianna Carpino and me.
The show's been coming along really nicely, although I think we're starting to spend too much time together. Things are starting to get tense.
We've been rehearsing for Charlie and the Chocolate Factory for so long, I think everybody started mething acting. Like, I haven't seen Ethan put a candy bar down since the beginning of the show when he got his role of Augustus Gloop. I mean, I love chocolate too, but this just has to be unhealthy. And oh my God, Bilal has been so over the top with his role on Mike TV. He's supposed to be an iPad kid on stage only. But now I heard he has 25 hours of screen time a day. How is that even possible?
Quiet backstage!
And you wouldn't believe the amount of gum I've been finding everywhere. Gum on sets, gum under tables, gum on props. I even found gum behind Rosie's ear. I don't think she knows she doesn't actually have to do that. And don't get me wrong, I love Jovi. But after getting her role of Veruca, her attitude has been insane.
Jovi, find your light, please. You find your light!
And I just can't believe almost all of our cast is being affected by method acting. Like, I could never.
Get out!
Well, Lenape, that's all for this week.
Remember to keep up with us on Instagram at Lenape Digital Media and stop by ND25 to see how you can be involved with our show.
We'll be back next Wednesday, November 26th. But until then,
Have a great weekend, Lenape, and come see Charlie in the Chocolate Factory.